Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga, post ng Sanya Warriors kagabi. Congratulations, team Pulang Araw at the 10th Platinum Stallion Award. At ito naman, post sa Twitter. So, ayun nga, si David ay hindi nga kasama ng team Pulang Araw at umiwalay nga siya at mas gusto niyang katabi si Kenzie at saka nga si Nathan Perolino. So, feeling ko na huli na naman to si David. Sinadya, charot. At ito nga yung magical moment na tinawag na si David sa stage na in IG story ni Miss Isabel Bulata. Let's watch this. Hala, kabat ko lang pala si Sanya. Tignan nyo, oh. Sumobra yung blush on. Ba't parang kinilig? Na in love, nagbeso lang. Grabe ka, Sanya. Parang fan ka na rin, katulad namin. Ganon.
Sanya, congrats! Congrats!
At next nga ay post ni Miss Rochelle Pangilinan. Ito nga yung role nila Sanya. Let's watch this.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. The last time I was here was 2023.
At ito na yung full video sa TikTok na pinost ni Miss Isabel Bulata. Let's watch this. Ayun na yung nag-blush, nagbeso pa lang.
Sanya, congrats! Congrats! Let's go, David! Hindi ka yung fancy.
Now I'm here as the best primetime drama series actor. Wow. It was funny because like all throughout my career, like people would criticize my acting. Paano ko romante? Sana di na naging actor. Sana puro pa cute, di ba? At least cute. I am up here because I had a dream. And I didn't let anything or anyone stop me from chasing my dreams. There were a lot of sacrifices, a lot of challenges, a lot of failures along the way. Pero, nandito tayo ngayon. So, yun lang, just have to keep on going, keep on working hard. And sa lahat ng mga nandito, if you have a dream, please sacrifice for it. Please, finger lang. And don't let anything or anyone stop you from chasing your dreams. And learn every day and stay consistent. It won't be easy at the start, but if you keep on working hard, just keep on studying, stay consistent, and try to learn every day, 1% every day lang, pwede na. You'll get there. Thank you so much again to Platinum Stallion National Media Awards for recognizing my cuteness, for my hard work. Joke lang po. Tapos, wait lang. Also, thank you to GMA7 for believing in me, to my Spartan family. Miss Annette, Miss Joy Marcelo, Miss John Navarro, 300 sub. Thank you so much. And to my co-manager Arnold Legafia, who else? Of course, the whole production team of Pulang Araw, kila Miss Edwin, kila Miss Shireen, salamat sa pag-aantay sa akin kapag ako late. Sorry, pero ngayon okay naman kahit paano, di ba? So, yun, and of course, to my director, Dominic Zapata, Direk, I super appreciate you. You know, like for me, Direk, I think he is the epitome of a good leader. You know why? Because I feel like he leads everybody in a different way. The way I need it, probably the way Alden needs it. So super appreciate you, Direk. Kasi ako yung type na I need validation if I'm good. And in every scene, he would show me na David did a good job. You know, and super appreciate you, Direk. To Mrs. Suzette Tocalero, wow, thank you so much. So, totoo lang, tinitext ko si Mrs. Suzette, sinasabi ko sa kanya na, Mrs. Suzette, sure ka ba sa role ko? Kasi napakahirap eh. Pero, di ba, nagtiwala siya sa akin, kaya super thank you. And love you. And, yun lang siguro sa hindi ko ba makalimutan. Yeah. O nga pala, sabihin natin na, last but not the least, thank you to Barbie. She inspired me to become a better actor. That's true. And,
ayun na nga, sabi nga ni Marilieta Alemani, ay ba't nakalimutan, pinaalala pa ng fans, ay bad yan. Sabi naman ni Norien, gusto kasi niyang ipaalala sa kanya si Bibi, na parang, uy, asarin niyo kay Bibi ganon. At comment pa ni Tingy, David, sabihin mo na natin na last but not the least, thank you Barbie, she inspires me to be a better actor. That's true. Special mention ang Bibi niya, kilig naman ng smile. Nidi, mag-thank you din kami kay Barbie for inspiring David to be a better actor. In fairness nga kay David, para talagang tumatak sa utak ng mga tao yung pagbanggit niya kay Barbie. Ginawa niya pa kunwari, nakalimutan niya, pero nakasmile siya nun. Grabe.
Sino ba? Sa lahat ng kasama ko sa Pulang Araw, Epic Izon, Rochelle, Alden of course, and Sanya Lopez. Kinabahan ng mga first scene natin dahil hindi ko, baka hindi ko kaya but then, ano nga eh. Well, you inspired me guys to become better, really. And of course, my acting coaches, from the very beginning. Miss Andrew Legas, thank you so much. Coach Norbs Portales, and yung sa Pulang Araw naman si Ruth, Coach Ruth. What's your last name again?
Alvarez.
Ha?
Alvarez.
Sorry, Ruth Alvarez. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much. Thank you for listening. I'm sorry if I took time. And good night. Thank you.
Hala, David, nakalimutan mo si amigo mo, si Dennis Trillo. Dick, kung makapagpasalamat ka dati kay Dennis, inspiration mo siya, tapos nakalimutan mo sa speech. Grabe, dapat kasi nag-godigo ka.
Para tayo makakarating na yun.
Ayun na nga, at in-Instagram story nga ni David Licao ko ang kanyang trophy. Ayan, hehehe, sabi niya naman sa F. At yun na nga, ninapitan din nila si Memel Vice. Gusto ko yan, grabe. At yun na nga, more pictures of David. Ayun na nga, pinost ni Kenzie sa kanyang Instagram story. At yan, more pictures. Ayun na nga. O si Tito Jack, very proud of his son. At ito, David Licao ko at the elevator. At yan, IG story ni David. Napaka-cute. At ito, more pictures. At ito naman, pinost ni Sir Nathan Perolino. Ayan na nga. So, magkakasama sila dyan. At di sila magkatabi ni Sanya, guys. At ito na nga, more pictures. Ayan nga, ang speech ni Direct Dom. At yan, si David. At next naman ay Instagram post ni Tita Eden. David Licaco, you worked so hard for this. Congratulations for another milestone. At nirepost niya nga yung pinost ng David Troops na video ng scene niya with Dennis Trillo na hindi nakalimutan niyang pasalamatan. Addict. At next nga ay nung tinawag si Miss Rochelle Pangilinan sa stage. Let's watch this. Grabe guys, I'm so proud of David. Congratulations David. At masayang-masaya ako dahil gustong-gusto ko yung speech niya dahil nga may special mention si Barbie. At wala siyang ginawa na medyo na pwedeng ikagalit ng mga fans at iisipin ng fans na may relasyon sila ni S. So masayang-masaya ako talaga. Pero mas maganda pa rin syempre yung awards night na kasama, yung sa 2023 na magkasama sila ni B. So mas maganda sana kasi B yung nanalo dito. Pero abangan natin, sana yung mga susunod na awarding sila magkasama, no? Lalos na yung sa PMPC Stars, sana bigyan nyo na po kay Barbie yun. Grabe yun, no? May pag-alalay pa kay Barbie, pag-akyat at saka pababa ng stage. Tapos yung nag-i-speech si Barbie, bila siya lumapit. Tawang-tawa si Barbie nun kasi nalalayan pa siya hanggang sa makapunta sila doon sa sa likod para magpa-picture, di ba? Grabe. Napaka-sweet nun. Ay, nako, those were the days. Anyway, masaya din naman to. At sana yung mga susunod na awarding, no? Kasama na silang manalo para mas masaya tayo, guys. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more birthday updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!